Are you tired of endlessly scrolling through reviews, trying to find the perfect tablet for your artistic endeavors? Say goodbye to the confusion, because today we're diving into the top 5 best tablets for drawing. With a myriad of options flooding the market, it's easy to feel overwhelmed by choice. But fear not, we've done the legwork, rigorously testing numerous tablets to curate a list of the very best. Join us as we unveil the ultimate tools to unleash your creativity. Also, you can check the pricing for any of these products in the description below. Now let's get started. Number 5. XPPen Deco Pro. The XPPen Deco Pro MDW presents a multifaceted solution for digital artists and designers, offering a blend of advanced features, reliable connectivity, and ergonomic design. Embracing both Bluetooth and USB connectivity, this tablet seamlessly integrates into diverse setups, providing users with flexibility in how they connect and work. The incorporation of Bluetooth V5.0 chips ensures stable and dependable wireless connections, complementing the traditional USB option and enabling a clutter-free workspace. With 8192 levels of pressure sensitivity, the Deco Pro MW's PA1 battery-free stylus empowers users to execute intricate details with precision and finesse. Its 60-degree tilt function adds another dimension to creativity, allowing for nuanced shading and varied line thicknesses. Versatility is a hallmark of the Deco Pro series, as it supports a wide array of operating systems, including Windows, Mac, Android, Linux, and Chrome OS. This broad compatibility extends to popular design and illustration software such as Photoshop, SAI, Painter, and Illustrator, opening doors to a vast landscape of creative possibilities. Regardless of the preferred platform or software, users can harness the full potential of their creativity with the Deco Pro MW. The tablet's design is not only functional but also durable, promising longevity and reliability. 8 responsive shortcut keys and 2 innovative dial wheels enhance efficiency by allowing users to customize their workflow and access frequently used functions with ease. Overall, with its blend of connectivity, sensitivity, compatibility, and durability, the XPPen Deco Pro MW stands as a formidable tool for digital creatives seeking both versatility and reliability in their workflow. Number 4. PicassoTab X. PicassoTab is a budget-friendly tablet that caters to digital artists, note-takers, and entertainment enthusiasts alike. Equipped with a MediaTek quad-core processor, this tablet boasts enhanced multitasking capabilities, ensuring smooth performance even with demanding tasks. The 10-inch IPS HD screen with a resolution of 1920 by 1080 delivers crisp and clear visuals, making it ideal for detailed artwork and multimedia consumption. With 1024 levels of pressure sensitivity, the included stylus pen offers precision and control for drawing and note-taking, providing a natural and responsive experience. In terms of storage, the PicassoTab offers a generous 64GB disk, allowing users to download and store thousands of apps from the Google Play Store without worrying about running out of space. The 4GB of DDR3 SD RAM ensures efficient app performance and smooth operation. Connectivity options abound with Wi-Fi, enabling users to stay connected wherever they go, and a micro HDMI port for easy connection to external displays, making it convenient for sharing content or enjoying multimedia on a larger screen. The USB Type-C port provides versatile connectivity for peripherals and data transfer. Additionally, the tablet features a 5-megapixel rear webcam, perfect for capturing moments or video conferencing, and it runs on the Android operating system, offering access to a vast ecosystem of apps and services. Certified by GMS, FCC, and CE standards, the PicassoTab meets rigorous safety and quality requirements, providing users with peace of mind. Backed by a 1-year warranty and responsive customer support, it ensures a worry-free purchase experience. Overall, the Simbens PicassoTab offers excellent value for its features and performance, making it a compelling choice for those in need of an affordable and versatile tablet solution. Number 3. HUION KAMVAS Pro 16. HUION's Kamvas Pro 16 is a digital art tablet designed for professionals seeking high performance and precision. With a resolution of 2560 by 1440 and a pixel density of 186 pixels per inch, it ensures sharp, detailed visuals. The full lamination technology reduces parallax, enhancing accuracy, while the anti-glare glass minimizes distractions from reflections. Additionally, its IPS panel technology guarantees consistent color reproduction from wide viewing angles. Powered by quantum dot technology, the Kamvas Pro 16 offers a wide color gamut of 99% Adobe sRGB and a high contrast ratio of 1200 by 1, delivering vivid and accurate colors crucial for creative work. The stylus, featuring HUION PenTech 3.0, provides exceptional precision with 8192 levels of pressure sensitivity, tilt recognition, and a high report rating, ensuring a natural drawing experience. Customizable shortcuts further streamline the creative process. Connectivity is versatile, with a USB-C port supporting HDMI HDMI and DP signals, enabling seamless connections to various devices, including Windows PCs, Macs, and Android tablets and phones. Both full-featured USB-C and HDMI cables are provided for stable and durable connectivity. The Kamvas Pro comes with a range of accessories, including an adjustable stand, felt nibs, drawing glove, and pen holder, enhancing usability and comfort during extended use. Overall, it stands as a reliable creative tool, offering impressive performance and thoughtful features for digital artists and designers. The product dimensions are 17.01 by 10 by 4.02 inches, and the item weight is 2.8 pounds. Overall, HUION's Kamvas Pro 16 impresses with its high-resolution display, precise stylus, versatile connectivity, and thoughtful accessories, making it an ideal choice for professional digital artists seeking top-notch performance and functionality. Number 2, Wacom Cintiq 22. The Wacom Cintiq 22 is designed for creative starters, boasting optimized features and an ergonomic design. With its HD clarity and responsive Wacom Pro Pen 2 featuring 8192 levels of pressure sensitivity, tilt response, and minimal lag, users can enhance their creative ideas effortlessly. The 15.6-inch LCD display offers industry-leading color quality, uniform brightness, and high resolution, elevating the visual experience for artists. Wacom, a global leader in drawing tablets and displays for over 40 years, provides confidence in users with its track record of innovation and reliability. Compatible with PC and Mac platforms, the device offers AC adapter, USB, and HDMI connectivity options. However, it only comes with 1 MB of RAM, which may not meet the needs of all users. Despite this limitation, the Wacom Cintiq 22 offers a natural drawing experience akin to pen and paper, making it suitable for aspiring and professional digital artists. Its sleek black design adds sophistication to any workspace. Weighing 4.19 pounds and measuring 14.1 by 22.4 by 0.1 inches, it's relatively portable for on-the-go work. The inclusion of a lithium polymer battery enhances its convenience. The device is backed by Wacom's reputation for quality craftsmanship and customer support. In conclusion, the Wacom Cintiq 22 offers an impressive blend of performance and design, providing creative starters with a tool to enhance their artistic endeavors, backed by Wacom's renowned reliability and support. Number 1, Xencelabs Pen Display. The Xencelabs Pen Display offers a comprehensive solution for digital artists seeking enhanced productivity and a premium drawing experience. Whether wired or wireless, its connectivity options cater to various user preferences. With a remarkable 8192 levels of pressure sensitivity and 4K UHD resolution, the display ensures precise and vibrant color reproduction, validated by Pantone and skin tone. The anti-glare glass and Super AG etching mitigate glare, providing exceptional clarity even in brightly lit environments. Users can enjoy smooth gliding of the pen on the screen, thanks to meticulous design considerations such as adjustable pressure curves and 3G initial activation force. Included are 2 battery-free digital pens, each offering distinct features to accommodate different user preferences. The device boasts an array of productivity-enhancing features, including 3 device control buttons for quick access to settings and programmable shortcut keys for efficient workflow management. The ergonomic design, featuring a magnesium alloy back housing for heat dissipation and an adjustable tilt stand, ensures comfort during extended usage sessions. The product's dimensions and weight are conducive to both portability and stability. The Xencelabs Pen Display is not only a tool for creative expression, but also a platform for seamless integration into various workflows, thanks to its compatibility with Windows, Mac, and Linux operating systems. Its versatility, coupled with its studio-quality drawing capabilities, makes it a compelling choice for professionals and enthusiasts alike. Whether in a studio or on the go, this pen display promises reliability, precision, and comfort for all your digital art endeavors. In summary, the Xencelabs Pen Display offers unmatched productivity and artistic quality with its versatile connectivity, precise sensitivity, and ergonomic design, making it an essential tool for professionals and enthusiasts alike. In the vast realm of digital art tablets, each reviewed device offers distinct advantages. The XPPen Deco Pro MW impresses with its blend of connectivity, sensitivity, and durability. Cintiq's PicassoTab X stands out as a budget-friendly option with commendable performance. HUION's KAMVAS Pro delivers high-resolution display and precise stylus for professionals. Wacom's Cintiq 22 offers a natural drawing experience with industry-leading quality. Finally, the Xencelabs Pen Display combines productivity features, sensitivity, and ergonomic design. Each tablet caters to diverse needs in the digital art community, providing compelling choices for both enthusiasts and professionals alike.